Hello everyone, welcome back to TLT Studio. Today we're going to look at how to apply for vaccination. Please bear in mind that this is only for Jamaican residents, alright? So, please, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please ensure that you hit that subscription button and also comment, like, and share. Alright, so let's jump right in. So the first step is to look at if you meet the requirements to get vaccination. Bear in mind that these are the categories of persons that the government will aim to vaccinate first. All right, so bear in mind that eventually you will get the opportunity to vaccinate. So if you do not fall within these categories, I wouldn't recommend applying for vaccination as yet. Alright, so just keep on watching the news and so forth to get new information as it relates to when you will get the chance to get the vaccination. Alright, so for healthcare workers, government officials, elderly, 60 years and over, defense, Jamaica Defense Force, Jamaica Constabulary Force, Fire Brigade, Passport and Immigration Agency, persons who work in early childhood, primary, secondary education institutions. So these are the persons should complete the application online for vaccination. All right, or basically it's just creating an appointment basically. All right, so the first step, you're going to go on Google. You're gonna type in MOH, all right, which stands for Ministry of Health and Wellness. You're gonna click on it to open the website. All right, and then you're gonna go over to your top right where you see applying here for COVID-19 vaccination, or apply here for COVID-19 vaccinations. All right, so it's gonna give it a minute or so for it to load up. Now you're gonna get prompt with a little note that click OK. Alright, no. So the first step is you're going to enter your mobile number. So when you put in a number here, so see, ensure that you click right here. I have read and agreed to the Jam COVID-19, and I also recommend that you take a look at the privacy policy. It's always good to ensure that you know what you're doing or know what you're getting when you're agreeing to something. All right, right after you click that check mark, you're also gonna click I am not a robot, because bear in mind, if you only click this and click send one-time password, it will not work. Only if you click on this. All right, so let the system know that you're not a robot. All right, so one-time password, so they're going to send the one-time password to your mobile phone via SMS. All right, so basically they're just going to send you a password that you can use on the website to basically authorize your account, all right, or initiate your account. The next step, you're going to fill out the necessary information. So these information are like basic information like your name, where you're from, your age, etc., where you work. Basic information, all right? You're also going to get the chance to choose the vaccination center. So based on the information that you fill out on the application, they're gonna basically tell you or suggest to you which vaccination center is closer to you. So if you are a policeman in Negril, right, then basically your vaccination center would probably be the health center or somewhere close by, right? Also, you will get the opportunity to select a date and also a time that you would like to do the vaccination. And I think this is very nice, where they are not basically telling you that you need to come here at 1 o'clock on this day, because what that does is creates confusion and then you're going to have a lot of people turning up on the same day on that same time. So basically giving persons the convenience of choosing the time when they want to do it. I think that is really nice. You will receive a SMS confirmation of your application. Right. Basically, after you completed all the information and you submit it, they're just going to let you know that the application or the appointment is accepted. All right. Seen. Now, it also says that arriving at the selected test center 15 minutes before the appointment time. Right. So basically, you must say come early. Right. If you arrive 15 minutes early for the appointment time, cause Jamaicans them, they not really know time. You understand? So just do the right thing. Show up at the right time, 15 minutes or even 20 minutes before. So if you have a 1 o'clock appointment, by 12:40, you're supposed to be near the vicinity of the center that you're going to do the test, right? Yeah, definitely. You don't forget your ID, passport, etc. because them now gonna able to identify you, so you're gonna need that information. Alright? So they put a little disclaimer at the end, say if you're late or have the proper identification, it might result in cancellation of your appointment and you may have to rebook a new appointment, which is a waste of time. Alright, so go to the vaccination centers early. Ensure that you have the right identification, like your driver's license, your passport, or your national ID. Ensure that you check your wallet or purse before you go to the center to ensure that you have it, because you don't want to waste time to reapply for something that you could do. All right.